Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll open OBS and immediately make a scene for your recording. This groups what users will see. Add a display capture for full screen or window capture for a single app, depending on your goal. Once done, set the canvas resolution and FPS so your output matches the platform you'll upload to. Mismatched sizes cause scaling artifacts. Make sure OBS has permissions for screen recording. On Mac OS or Windows, this often requires a one-time system prompt. Now verify audio devices. Choose microphone and desktop audio. Next, arrange your sources in the preview so overlays and webcam don't block important content. You can crop with Alt-Drag and lock layers to avoid accidental moves. Then tune audio. Watch the mixer meters while speaking, add filters like noise suppression and a compressor to keep levels consistent. Once your layout and audio are stable, save them into a scene collection and create source groups for repeated setups. This reduces setup time later and prevents accidental reconfiguration when switching tasks. Finally, open Output Settings and choose Recording Mode. Pick Hardware Encoder if available to offload CPU or X264 for more control. Set bitrate high enough for sharp detail. Mobile screen capture often needs 10,00020, 000 kbps, and record to MKV so a crash won't corrupt the file. Once done, do a short test recording and inspect audio sync and visual quality. If something goes wrong, check encoder overloads and lower resolution or switch encode.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.